This simple trick changed everything on YouTube for me. So you know how you have to use your mouse and keyboard to change and move things in YouTube? Well, today we're changing that. I'm currently using the Elgato Stream Deck Plus to control YouTube. And this is how I do it. When I'm watching videos on YouTube, I can easily now with my Stream Deck Plus control everything. For example, when I'm watching a video, I can easily go with my Elgato Stream Deck Plus and change the speed. Make it slower. Also, I can skip. I can pause. I can play. I can change the volume. Or I can even navigate through chapters. And this is how I do it. So we want to load our Stream Deck software, and we're going to add a few shortcuts here. So we're going to choose under System, and we can add hotkeys and multimedia. So you can easily here just change the volume for the system volume. We can also add some hotkeys to do certain things. So we can easily just come here for changing, either going backwards, forward, or pausing and playing. So counterclockwise, we're going to go to the left, we're going to go J. Rotate clockwise, we're going to go L. And then press or tap, we're going to go K. And then we also want to do the same changes for our YouTube shortcuts. And this is how we ended up. And that's it. Pretty easy, right? Now, if you do have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Now, you shouldn't miss this following video if you want to learn how to control your Microsoft Teams with your Elgato Stream Deck Plus. This is Eddy04. See you on the next one.